All right, so today we're going to be multiplying integers with models. So here they show us 3 times 2. In elementary, when you guys were learning how to do multiplying, they said 3 groups of 2. So then if they want 3 groups of 2 in each, okay, that's what that means. Actually, let's write that right here. So 3 groups of 2 in each, okay? So what they wanted us to do is, if I do this, oh, I don't like that color. We're gonna get our pencil and I'm gonna use just this color. So again, they're all positive numbers, so I don't have to worry about the negative. So I'm starting at 0. So they want 3 groups of 2 inside of it, so 2 in each. So it's gonna be 1, 2. So I'm counting by 2s, essentially. I'm skip counting. I'm gonna be 2, 4, 6. So my groups, again, this is 1 whole group, so 1. This is 2 whole groups, which is 2. And then this is 3 whole groups, and then this is 3. So my 3 groups, 1, 2, 3, of 2 in each, and my answer here is 6. Again, 6 is where I had landed, so 6 is my answer. Okay, so if I move on to the next question here, I have 2 groups of -3 in each. So 2 groups of -3 in each. Okay, so that is what they want of us. So then what we need to do is draw our groups again. So I'm going to have 2 groups of -3 numbers inside. So it's going to be -1, -2, -3. Then -1, -2, -3. And again, my arrow has to go this way. Okay, I know I didn't draw an arrow for the first one, and that's my bad, but the arrow's going that way because that's the direction I am going. So again, this is one group, so one group, and this is my second group, and I landed on -6. So my answer here is -6. Okay, so here I can also use what is called a multiplication division bear. Okay, and then I can multiply or divide, right? That's when the only times when I use my multiplication division bear. So the way that I use this is, here I have a positive number, so I'm going to cover my positive here for the notes. Then because I'm multiplying, I'm going to cover the multiplying sign, and because I have a -3, I'm going to cover one of the negatives. And see how I didn't cover that negative? My answer is going to be a negative. So here I have -6 and it matches, so it's correct. I can also use this diagram right here where it says multiply or divide the numbers. We have to think, are they the same signs or are they different? So if they have same signs, like right here, our answer is going to be positive. So another way I can look at it, or in this case, since I have different signs, my answer is going to be negative. So here, negative, positive, my answer is negative. If I do this negative or positive, my answer is still going to be negative. If I cover these two, then this one is going to be uncovered and it's going to be positive. Okay, so we'll see more with the examples we'll be seeing right now. So if I move on to example 3, okay, I'm going to have, actually I'll have you guys do that one on your own, okay, and I'm going to move on to this example 4, okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to write right here. So they want actually -2 groups of -3 in each. So this is where I like to use the bear first, okay? So that is usually my go-to. So then if I draw my bear, my multiplication division bear, okay? So here I have my multiplying and my dividing, and then my 2 eyes and the nose, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cover the 2 negatives and I'm multiplying, so my answer is gonna be positive, okay? So then I'm gonna have to go on the positive direction. So I'm gonna go 2 groups of 3 in each. So 1, 2. okay?